moment. But first, we do have new information and a story we've been following for days now. The woman accused of killing her 9-year-old son she adopted appeared in court for the first time today.
Kimberly Blakley and her husband Cory are facing murder and torture charges, along with a count of child endangerment for each of their 7 kids. ABC 10's Devin Truby is live in Roseville now with disturbing new details. Devin, you've learned the father refused to come to court today.
That's right, Laura. Cory Blakley did not make his appearance. The district attorney wasn't really sure why. Kimberly, though, appeared sobbing, at one point even collapsing to her knees. The arraignment was pushed until next week because the Blakley's attorney didn't even have this yet, a copy of the charges the couple is facing. We're going to give you these details, but we want to warn you, some of them are very disturbing.
Court is now in session.
Kimberly Blakley was sobbing from the moment she appeared in court until the end when the judge remanded her into custody without bail.
With malice or forethought murder, CB age 9. It's alleged at the same time and place you were in violation of section 206 of the Penal Code.
The mother sobbed, falling to her knees as the judge read the murder charge she is facing for the death of her 9-year-old adoptive son who died at UC Davis on Wednesday. Court documents reveal the Blakleys are accused of torturing the child. Kimberly is also facing a special allegation for the kid being comatose due to the brain injury, suffering paralysis.
And that you did personally inflict great bodily injury upon CB age 9, who is not an accomplice, and that injury caused the CB to become comatose.
The counts say they tortured their child sadistically. Can you share any information on that?
I can't share specific information about the facts of the case other than what the charge entails, which means someone inflicted cruel pain on someone for those purposes. It's always incredibly tragic when children are the victims of crime.
The couple is also facing a misdemeanor cruelty to child count for each of the 7 kids aged 6 to 13. The district attorney says those charges are for separate instances of abuse. 2 of the children are the Blakleys, the other 5 are adopted. And you saw in the video, Kimberly was wearing a vest to prevent self-harm, but we're told that is standard procedure. Right now, the couple is being charged together. Cory, though, has retained his own attorney. Kimberly was assigned a public defender. The district attorney's office says if Cory is not willing to come out of his cell next week for the arraignment, they would prefer he do so voluntarily, but if not, they are prepared to forcibly bring him out to the arraignment next week. Chris, Laura.
A very emotional day in court, Devin. And we know in this investigation still a lot of moving parts, so keep us posted. We'll continue to follow the latest on this story on air and online at abc10.com. Devin Truby, thank you.